Hello, I'm in a 2010 Ford Edge, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll drop down, and you should see this release lever here. So we'll pull this, that'll pop the hood open. And behind here, you should see a cable attached. So if this is really loose and that cable's not attached, you might need to address that. But now from the front, you should see the hood slightly loose now, so you can fit your fingers in here. There's a lever here, so we're going to push the lever and lift. So push and lift. And then we'll also see this arm here that we can pull up. Sorry for the camera work, but now we've got the arm here holding it up. This is what that lever looked like. So double check there's no debris in here that needs cleaned up. Nothing bent or broken. If this is sticking a lot, maybe spray some WD-40 to loosen it. And that's the top part, that's where it's hooked onto. So again, make sure nothing's bent, and also double check your hood's in proper alignment, because if that's off and it's crooked, that could cause issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a great day.